a legacy of love and learning. In 1966, a young Chinese student named Paul Ye graduated from Colegio São Joaquim, a Salesian school in Lorena, Brazil, a legacy born from Princess Isabel's vision after signing the Lei Aurea in 1888. Educated in the Salesian spirit of calor humano, human warmth, Paul carried forward the ideals of the Braganças, Jesuits, and Salesians, still believing education and dignity unite humanity more than politics or wealth. This document, Romansina, and BRRICS, is Paul's public zero-profit gift to Brazil, Portugal, China, and the world. It proposes an AI-powered linguistic and cultural bridge that preserves each language's soul while enabling seamless understanding, technology serving humanity, not domination. Rooted in history, the vision draws from Dom Pedro II's moral clarity and Princess Isabel's abolitionist courage. Their monarchy saw education as liberation. Their legacy lives in Paul's proposal. The Jesuits created Ninga II to unify indigenous peoples. The Salesians later taught moral and technical skills to the poor. Paul, educated under this system, now extends it to the digital age. Romantina copyright connects the Romance languages, Portuguese, Spanish, French, and Italian, creating a mutual linguistic network. Romansina expands it to include Chinese, joining nearly half of humanity through real-time AI translation. Each person speaks their own language. AI ensures mutual understanding. No culture dominates, all are dignified. Linked to BRRICS, copyright, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, plus the Romance block. This framework strengthens cooperation through multilingual smart contracts, AI-mediated diplomacy, and open source ethics. Inspired by the Order of Christ and Templar ideals of innovation with integrity, it merges East-West intelligence with Latin empathy, calor humano, at global scale. Paul's journey, 50 years in Brazil, 10 in Macau, and a lifetime between worlds, shaped this synthesis of memory and mission. It honors Matteo Ricci's dialogue, Dom Pedro II's humility, and the Salesians' service. Like the green and red cross on Cabral's sails, this project represents hope, courage, and transformation. Romantina/Romansina. Copyright is a call to linguists, technologists, educators, and dreamers to build a world where communication uplifts rather than divides. A bicentennial tribute to Dom Pedro II and a living thank you to Brazil's warmth. It declares abraço ao mundo, Yong Bao Shijai, a hug to the world.